But if we can make intelligence cheap and give it to everyone, I think we will have a wonderful tool to empower a lot of people. And so when people talk about AI being dangerous, I think it sounds a lot like talk about your laptop computer being dangerous. Absolutely, your laptop can be dangerous because someone can use your laptop to do awful things, just like someone could use AI to do awful things. We should pass laws to stop them. So that's how I tend to view AI. There's an alternative view of AI, which is not mine, which I think is if AI is this sentient alien being with its own wants and desires, it could go rogue. In my experience, my AI sometimes does bad things. I just program it to stop doing that, and it can't control it perfectly, but every year our ability to control AI is improving, and I think the safest way to make sure AI doesn't do bad things is, this is how we build airplanes. We build airplanes, sometimes they crash tragically, and then we fix it. And I think AI sometimes give bad outputs, and then we fix it, and that's how we actually make these things reliable.
Jonathan?
I need to respond to this, if you don't mind.
Jonathan, I was going to go first, and then I'll go to Yoshua.
I didn't even finish what I was saying.
Everybody, moderator rules. Okay, Yoshua, you go, and then I'm going to go Jonathan, then I'm going to go Yejing.
All right. There's several things that Andrew said that I think are wrong. No, seriously, like deadly wrong.
Deadly wrong.
So first of all, we would like AI to be a tool. That is what we want. But there's a mistake I think that AI research has been doing, which is we've taken human intelligence as the model for building artificial intelligence. And the reason it's a mistake is that the thing we really want from machines is not a new species, not a peer that could be smarter than us. What we actually want is something that will help us solve our problems. And the main thing we need from this is in pure intelligence, the ability to understand the world. But what we have as well is agency. In other words, we have our own goals. It's something we're already starting to see. Andrew, are you aware that there are experiments that have been run over the last year that show very strong agency and self-preserving behavior in AI systems? These systems, let me finish, please. These systems are trying, for example, to copy themselves in the file of the next version when they know that there's going to be a next version that replaces them, or they're trying to fake agreeing with the user so that their goals will not be changed through the training process. Were not programmed. These are emerging for rational reasons because these systems are imitating us. We are agents. So indeed, we are on a path where we're going to build machines that are more than tools, that have their own agency and their own goals, and that is not good. And you're saying it's okay, we're going to find ways to control them. But how do you know? Like right now, science doesn't know how we can control machines that are even at our level of intelligence, and even worse if they're smarter than us. Nobody knows. Now, there are people like Andrew who are saying, don't worry, we'll figure it out. I mean, if we don't figure it out, do you understand the consequences?
I'm saying we'll pay attention, and my team's newsletter covered those exact studies. I have seen them. I feel like these systems learn from human data, and sometimes humans on the internet demonstrate deceptive behaviors. Yes. I think it's fantastic that some researchers did red teaming and discovered that you can, in certain circumstances, get an AI to demonstrate these misleading and deceptive behaviors. I think that's great. So the next step is we'll put a stop to this.
All right, guys. Jonathan?